My knee then popped and cracked. And then I fell on the floor. I had an x-ray and they said there's definitely no broken bones, which is a good thing, I think. It's very, very painful still. I was so gutted because I didn't even get to play my match. I so wanted to play with the team and to be part of the team so we could play like the not mother and daughter, no, the oldies versus youngsters cricket game.
Tune in to Cherry Road Podcast every Friday on all major podcast platforms, or register to be a guest.